Good morning, 3B. Okay, today this is our little mini lesson. We're combining arrays. I'm going to move it a little closer so you can see better. All right, so you should be pretty good about creating the arrays. And today we're going to practice combining the arrays. So we have 5 times 6. So we know that rows go side to side like we're rowing a boat. And columns go up and down like we're building an art museum. Okay, so let's start with 5. So we have 5 rows, which are going to go side to side. So our rows are going to be going this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, they're going to be going this way, 5. And we have 6 columns that are going to be going up this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each row of the 5 is going to be filled with 6 columns. So this is our first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our first row of 6 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 5. We can write it this way too. We have 5 rows by or times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. 5 times 6. What do we get when we do 5 times 6? All right, we could count all of these up or we could count by 5s, right? So here's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. All right, so our first one, we have 30. Now, here comes a really, really simple array that we're going to make. 1 row, all right? I'm going to make it dark so we can tell the difference. As our 1 row, and then we're going to make 6 columns in our row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Not a lot of math required here to figure this one out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? So we have 1 times 6 equals, but everybody can figure this one out? 6. Woohoo! Okay. So what do we get when we combine these arrays? So I want you to think about putting that array onto this array. So when we combine them, we're going to draw them together. So I'm going to redraw this really fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows, 6 columns. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and we decided that 5 times 6 is 30. Okay, now I'm going to put this one at the bottom like I said I would. It's just 1 row of 6. So 1 by 6, sorry. 6. Okay, and we decided that that just equals 6. So now I'm going to add these two together. 30 plus 6. What did you get? I got 36. Now, let's take a look at this. I'm going to do it over here. I have 5 times 6, and then I added it to the array 1 times 6. 5 times 6 equals 30. 1 times 6 equals 6. Now, let's start over here. 30 plus 6, we got 36. Awesome. Now, for this one, it's a little bit tricky because we know 6 plus 6 equals 12. But let's actually take a look at what we did. So when we look at this, did the amount of columns change? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we change the amount of columns? No, there's still 6 columns. So we're going to keep the 6 here. This is the tricky part. When you're doing this one on your own, I want you to ask yourself, did the amount of columns change when you're looking at the 3, okay? All right, now I'm going to bring down the time sign. 5 and 1. Let's look at the amount of rows. Did the amount of rows change? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many rows do we have now? 5 plus 1 is 6, and we got 6 rows. So we have 6 times 6 equals 36. Is that true? See, yes, it is. Yeah, so when we added these two arrays, we got 6 rows by 6 columns equals 36. And we also got the multiplication sentence, 6 times 6 equals 36. Now today, all you're going to do is you're going to do this, number 2, on your own. You're going to combine 5 times 3 and 2 times 3. You need to draw the arrays and combine them just like I did and find the multiplication sentence. Okay? All right. See you.